Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Excel Medical College for Naturopathy and Yoga. It is located in Komarapalayam, Tamil Nadu. They have vacancies for different positions. So let's have a look. They are looking for professors, associate professors, assistant professors and medical officers. To eligible for these positions, the qualifications will be as per Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University norms, and Bachelors of Naturopathy and Yoga Sciences and Doctor of Medicine will be preferred. If you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. And for more detailed information, you can please contact them with the given phone number 996559077, and also you can please go through the website link. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.